Tired of navigating your emails in a language that just doesn't feel right? Let's update your Outlook experience by changing the display language. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Look for the File tab in the top left corner of your screen and click on it in the menu that appears. Locate and click on the Options button, usually found at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. This will open the Outlook Options window on the left-hand side. You'll see various settings categories. Click on Language. Here, you'll find the Office Display Language section. This is where you choose the primary language for Outlook's menus, buttons, and dialog boxes. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal a list of supported languages. Scroll through this list to find the language you want to use. Once you've found your desired language, click on it to select it. If the language you want isn't available, you might need to install an Office language pack first. You can usually find these on the Microsoft website by searching for Office language packs. After selecting your language, click the Set as Preferred button to make it your default display language. Finally, click the OK button to save your changes and close the Options window. You may be prompted to restart Outlook for the changes to take full effect. And there you have it. Your Outlook interface is now in your preferred language, making your email management a more comfortable and personalized experience.